Hello everyone, welcome to my new video. This is Ayan. Today my topic is about the world. So let's start our today's topic. The world is a vast and diverse place. It consists of continents, ocean, mountain, forest, desert, cities and so much more. From the space, the Earth appears as a beautiful blue planet with filling clouds and land masses. On the surface, you will find a wide variety of landscape, ranging from lush green forests to arid desert, from snowy mountain peaks to tropical beaches. There are bustling cities with towering skyscrapers, historic landmarks, and vibrant cultures. The world is filled with awe-inspiring natural wonders, such as majestic waterfall, breathtaking canyon, and pristine lake. Each region has its own unique beauty and charm. Overall, the world is a visually stunning and diverse place, offering endless opportunity for exploration and discovery. It wouldn't be wrong to say that we all love this universe. We all love to explore our world. We want to see how big and how beautiful our world is. As beautiful as the world is, everything in the world is also beautiful. The exquisite beauty of the world fascinates us most. In this universe, we always try, but don't get any other planet like our planet. But we see no other planet is as beautiful as the Earth, where there are numerous people, animals, plants, and flowers, fruits, the blue sky, the air. Strange but beautiful environment. Everything is so beautiful that attracts each of us a lot. We love to explore our world. We love to travel the entire world. I reckon and expect this video would be really more enjoyable for you. Let's discuss something about our world, about our earth, the divination of our continents. As we have divided the countries into different continents and the total number of countries in the world. We all know there are 200 countries in the world. If we want to be exact, we have to say that there are 195 countries in our big earth. In terms of geographical area and size, some countries in the world are very big and some countries in the world are very small. Almost every country in the world is bounded by specific geographical boundaries. It means that all of the countries have specific geographical boundaries. These countries are divided into different parts, into different continents and have several names of them. Let's learn the name of the continent that are Asia, Europe, Africa, North America, South America, Australia and Antarctica. I think all of you know about these continents. I live in a small country called Bangladesh in the continent Asia. As far as I know, Asia is the largest continent that stretches from the eastern Mediterranean Sea to the western Pacific Ocean. So it is called the biggest continent in the world. The continent covers 1/3 of the Earth's surface, so it is called the biggest continent in the world. Asia has the highest mountain in the world, Mount Everest, is the part of Himalayas mountain range. The Himalayas are spread across five Asian countries that are Bhutan, China, India, Nepal, and Pakistan. Asia is the largest and most populous continent in the world. Most populated countries in the world. including China, India, Bangladesh, and Indonesia. 60% of the Earth population lives in Asia. It is a continent of great economic and cultural importance. There are 49 countries in Asia. These include India, China, Thailand, Vietnam, Japan, and many more. Asia is home to some of the largest rivers, seas, and deserts in the world. Here are a few notable ones. Rivers. Number 1. Yangtze River, also known as the Changjiang. It is the longest river in Asia and the third longest river in the world. It flows through China and plays a crucial role in the country's economy and culture. Ganges River, considered sacred by Hindus. Ganges River is one of the major rivers in the Indian subcontinent. It provides water to millions of people and supports diverse ecosystems. Arabian Sea, located between the Arabian Peninsula and the Indian subcontinent. The Arabian Sea is an important trade route linking the Middle East, Indian, and African countries. It is known for its warm water and diverse marine life. Deserts. Gobi Desert, stretching across northern China and southern Mongolia. The Gobi Desert is one of the largest and driest in Asia. It is characterized by vast expanses of sand dunes, rocky terrain, and extreme temperature variation. Thar Desert, situated in northwestern India and southeastern Pakistan. The Thar Desert is known for its unique ecosystem and rich cultural heritage. It is the most densely populated desert in the world. There are a few examples of Asia's immense natural wonders. The continent is truly diverse and offers a wide range of geographical features that contribute to its beauty and significance. Majestic continents, captivating coastline, and some wonderful islands. The most scenic beauty in the world are in Europe. Apart from the world-class capital city of London, Paris and Rome attract visitors the most. Each 44 countries of this continent has delightfully different cities and unprecedented natural beauty that attract tourists a lot. The largest country in the world, Russia, is located in this European continent. Europe has numerous breathtaking landscapes that are worth seeing. I am going to discuss here some of them. Number 1. Captivates Lake National Park, Croatia. This park is famous for its cascading waterfalls and 16 interconnected lakes. Swiss Alps. Number 2. Swiss Alps, Switzerland. The Swiss Alps are a popular destination for skiing, hiking, and mountain climbing. The stunning views of glaciers and valleys are truly breathtaking. Number 3. The Scottish Highlands, Scotland. The Scottish Highlands are known for their rugged landscape, rolling hills, and deep gorges. The area is also home to many historic castles. Number 4. The Amalfi Coast, Italy. The Amalfi Coast is a picturesque stretch of coastline along the Tyrrhenian Sea, featuring colorful villages perched on cliffs overlooking the sea. Number 5. The Norwegian fjords. These fjords offer a spectacular view of towering mountains, cascading waterfalls, and crystal clear water. There are just a few examples of the many stunning landscapes that Europe has to offer. There are 54 countries in Africa. Algeria is the largest by land area, and by population, Nigeria is the largest. Africa was originally entitled as the Dark Continent by Henry Morton Stanley, who saw Africa was mysterious. Its landscape, its culture were largely unknown to many outsiders since late 19th century. The major rivers of the Africa include the Niles of Egypt, the Nile, Congo, Niger, Zambezi, and Orange. Africa, the second largest continent in the world, is also contains the largest desert in the world, the Sahara. In fact, there are three large deserts on that continent: the Sahara, the Namib, and the Kalahari. Together, these three amazingly vast and diverse land cover a large portion of Africa. Nigeria is the richest country in Africa due to its powerful person and with an abundance of natural resources. Africa is bordered by the Mediterranean Sea to the north, Red Sea to the northeast, the Indian Ocean to the east, and the Atlantic Ocean to the west. The Indian and the Atlantic Ocean converge on the southern coast of South Africa. The region includes Canada, the Caribbean, Central America, Greenland, Mexico, and the United States, North America. 23 countries. North America is the third largest continent in the world. It comprises 23 countries as well as dependencies ranging from the Arctic Circle to the north to the Panama Canal in the south. North America benefits greatly from its fertile soil, plentiful fresh wild and mineral deposits, and forests. With a strong domestic and export economy focused on this abundant array of natural resources. North America has to become one of the most developed regions in the world. North America has a continental climate. This means the climate is generally dry with cold winters and hot summers. But with the wide variation that is to be expected over a continent extending from the Arctic Circle to the tropics, this variation is only partly due to the range of latitude the continent spans. Now, South America. I'm going to talk about the South America. South America is an extreme continent. It is home to the world's largest river, the Amazon, as well as the world's driest place, the Atacama Desert. South America, the fourth largest continent, extends from the Gulf of Darien to the northeast to the archipelago of Tierra del Fuego in the south. South America is home to the world's highest uninterrupted waterfall, Angel Falls, Cactus Falls, the largest river, the Amazon, and the longest mountain range, the Andes. There are 12 countries in South America. The biggest country in South America is Brazil. The weather in South America is hot and humid. The Amazon River runs through South America. The world's largest coffee producer, Brazil, is in this continent. Now, let's talk about Australia. Australia, the smallest continent and one of the largest countries in the earth, lying between the Pacific and the Indian Ocean in southern hemisphere. Australia's capital is Canberra, located in the southeast between the larger and more important economic and cultural centers of Sydney and Melbourne. Australia is globally famous for its natural wonders. Now let's move to Antarctica. Antarctica is the southernmost continent and site of the South Pole is virtually uninhabited ice-covered landmasses. The peninsula's isolated terrain also shelters rich wildlife, including many penguins. Antarctica is the coldest place on Earth. The temperature in the winter is so cold enough to freeze its water all the time. It means that it would be a really good thing that you will not need a freeze over there. The temperature in the middle of Antarctica is so much colder than the temperature on the coast. Antarctica has two seasons, summer and winter. So this was our today's topic. Hope you were well. All of you are doing a job in the respective responsibilities properly. Meet you next time in my next another video. Bye.